white rice, and I put the vinegar and also sugar, and let it cool a little bit. Okay, and then this is a yellowish colored. We used that saffron this morning to make it yellow color. Okay, it doesn't smell much. I think. I believe.
Yeah, maybe the mask.
Right, you're right. Of course, obviously. And so we're just gonna use this as a yellow color. And for kids, I want you boys and girls to cut those carrots into like a, using those cookie
Wow,
cutters.
the shapes.
Okay, so as a garnish later on we're gonna use it. Okay, and also we have the shiitake mushrooms. Let me know if you don't like it because you don't have to put it. Okay, because it has a strong smell.
We love,
Some
right?
people don't like it.
We
My
love.
husband doesn't like
You
it
don't like?
anyway. So, and the avocados, which is also for the garnish, but you can also sand it. It's totally up to you. It's freestyle. Okay. So, and the carrots. Carrots also are made. I use the microwave just to, heat it up a little bit, make it soft. And I put the also vinegar and sugar. Okay. All right. So, and also coming up. This is purple cabbage. And also we've got Ayako-chan, could you pass me the green beans? Yes.
Oh, it's colorful.
Yes. So we want to make it colorful. So this one doesn't have any flavor. I didn't put any ingredients for it. You just have to cut it, boil it and cut it. But these we use the frozen one this time. So the purple cabbage is hot right now. Be careful. But I put see, look, we can use even those juice coming out, and then we can use the purple colored rice like at home, maybe. So that way it's totally vegetable only, no meat in there. And sugar and vinegar only as well for this one. Okay. All right. So did you all bring milk cartons? People who didn't bring, you can just take one each family, perhaps.
We have nothing. Sorry.
No? Okay. That's no problem.
Second time we'll.
No, that's no problem. So, do you want to take those?
Yeah.
Take those, take those. Oh, let me know. Do you want to take it?
Huh?
Take it?
Maybe one
Alright,
each.
one more? One more?
Oh, yeah, please.
So, people have
Fine.
enough? You have enough?
I think-
We don't have enough.
Oh, we already have two. So give us.
Sorry.
No,
Is
no,
it
no.
okay?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay.
Sorry.
All right then.
We have
Right.
four.
So going back to your seed, and we're going to spread that right.
So this is our space. This is our station. So we are going to make taco. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
You too.
I mean, look at this.
Do you think you can make it?
Of course.
Raisa?
Yes.
Are you confident? Are you sure? Come on, let's try it, okay? So we have the instructions here. Here we go. We have white
All
rice
right.
and the saffron, yellow rice.
Yeah, in McDonald's you get like saffron,
Yeah,
like
we
maybe
use
more
saffron.
cheap, like daily.
Yeah, especially the sweets, right?
Yeah, I really like the smell.
Very familiar. We grew up with this.
Yeah,
And
true,
saffron,
right?
saffron is very expensive.
Yeah, maybe in Nepal more cheap.
They are producing so many saffron. It's a big business.
Yes, yes.
Okay, now you're ready to eat. Slowly, slowly. What shape is this? Oh, this is flour, right?
Yeah. I mean, what is this?
Fat. Oh,
Maybe it's
lotus.
a,
Oh,
oh, it's a
flower.
flower.
What about you, Raisa? What's that? It's like a flower.
Everything good?
What do I put now?
You have the, yeah, okay,
More ingredients.
so just want to show. Alright, so top color, have you decided already? We've got brown color coming up soon.
It's very difficult to blend them. Like you need a rice vinegar and sugar, and so. But this is already blended, so it's very sushi. Yes, and so you don't need to blend them all by yourself. Just buy this, and they have the instruction for.
Your yellow light again.
You can put the white. Thank you. Thank you. First, put the rice first. Stop. Down. Yeah, sitakil. Okay, now just make it even. Press. So you're doing the yellow now?
Yeah.
The top is white, right?
Yeah. And yellow one.
Okay.
Want to put it like a nice photo.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Different.
Right.
How is it? Good? A lot of avocados.